in TV land. My name's Ollie, and I'm here today with Mr. Teng to do some math. How you doing, Mr. Teng?
Hey, Ollie, it's so much fun to see you, bud.
Yeah, good to see you too.
Yeah, so we're here at the Hideout today working on some kindergarten math.
Whoa.
So
cool.
we've been working on different paths to addition, subtraction, and measurement. So what we're going to do today is take a look at some non-standard measurement to kind of take a look at the concepts of what's longer, what's shorter, what's more, what's less.
I like it. Let's do this.
All right, buddy. Okay, so the first one says, draw a red X on the longer pencil, color the shorter pencil green. So there's some vocabulary words here that our kindergarten friends are really working on. What do you think it means, Ollie, if something is longer or if something is shorter?
Well, sometimes things that are longer are not short. You know, they're like bigger or longer. I don't know, it's hard to put in words. Like my beak is kind of long.
Okay.
Is your beak long?
So would my beak be longer or shorter than Ollie's?
Yeah, there you go. So your beak would be shorter.
My beak would be shorter.
Uh-huh.
Actually, I think it's called a nose, though. Mine's a nose.
What? Whatever. Anyway, so yeah, you're right. Longer is longer.
Longer is longer. So boys and girls, like Ollie was saying here, when something is longer, it's not going to be shorter. So let's take a look at these two pencils. One of them is longer than the other one. So it's going to measure more distance. So the one that's longer is this top one. So we're drawing a red X on the longer pencil, and we're gonna color the shorter pencil green.
Measures more distance. That's a better wording than mine. Measures more distance. Longer. I like it, Mr. Teng. Good job.
All right.
Oh, good job green coloring there.
All right, so the next one says color the longer vehicle yellow. Draw a circle around the shorter vehicle. My daughter would love this one because right now she's obsessed with buses.
Oh yeah? Does she ever ride the bus?
She actually has not ridden a bus yet.
Oh, she'll love it. It's so fun.
Yeah, but she loves the Wheels on the Bus song
Oh, that's a classic.
because they go round and round.
And the horn goes beep, 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 you know.
It does. So let's see. I feel like this is almost cheating because we know that the buses are typically yellow, but if we're looking at longer and shorter, Ollie, how would you describe to me which one is longer and which one's shorter?
Well, kind of like the pencils, the bus looks like it covers more area. What did you say? More distance?
Yeah, so it measures more distance.
Measures more distance, right.
Okay, so let's go ahead and color the bus.
What color? Yellow?
Yellow.
Oh, perfect for a bus. Oh, that's a wonderful coloring job. Look at that.
And the wheels go round and round.
They do.
And draw a circle around the shorter vehicle.
What color are you going to use this time?
You know what?
It doesn't say use purple.
I'm going to use purple.
Ah! I was hoping you would. Beautiful circle.
Okay. So here we were able to see the longer pencil and the shorter pencil, the longer vehicle, which was our bus, beep, beep, beep.
Beep, beep, beep.
And our shorter vehicle, it's that little truck.
There you go.
All right, let's move on. And now we're going to be taking a look at some pennies here. How many pennies are there in each hand? You're going to write the number to show and then draw a blue X in the hand with fewer pennies. So the concept that we're kind of going over here is more versus less. So we can count and then compare by saying which one has more and which one has less.
Oh, I got that. That makes sense.
Our first example was done already, and let's go ahead and trace these numbers. So what we've been practicing a lot here at the Hideout is tracing our numbers, being able to count our numbers, and then what we're going to do today is compare.
Cool.
So in the pennies here, can you count how many pennies are in this on the left hand?
Oh, I got this. 1, 2, 3, 4. I see 4 pennies there.
All right.
Oh, there's a 4.
4 pennies.
Beautiful.
And then on the other hand, so this example is already done for us, but we can count that that's going to be 2 pennies. So we're going to trace the number 2. And the example already has the X through the hand with the fewer pennies.
Right, because 2 is fewer than 4.
There you go. 2 is less than 4. All right, let's go on and go through the rest of these. So our hand on the left, boys and girls at home, you can count with us. We have 1, 2, 3 pennies.
3. Oh,
Ollie,
what a beautiful 3.
Ollie, do you want to do the next one by yourself?
Oh, sure, absolutely. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I see 5 pennies.
5 pennies.
Beautiful 5.
All right. And the next one. How many pennies do we have?
Now, wait. Aren't we supposed to do an X, Mr.
You're right.
Teng?
We're not done. We're not done. Way to keep us on track, Ollie.
Somebody's reading directions.
All right, so what the directions? Draw a blue X on the hand with the fewer pennies. So which is fewer, 3 or 5?
Well, in this case, 3 would be fewer than 5.
How did you know that?
I'm just smart ostrich like that. We ostriches, very smart.
You know, I think you are the smartest ostrich I've ever met, so I agree with that.
I'm probably the only one you've ever met, huh?
That's true too.
That's fine.
All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the next one. This one looks a little tough.
Uh-oh.
What do you think? How many
no.
pennies are in this left hand?
You know what, Mr. Teng? I don't see any pennies in the hand.
Okay.
0.
0 pennies. And how about in our right hand?
Let's see, maybe you can count with me. 1, 2,
3.
3. I see 3.
All right, so we don't want to move on until we finish this. Draw a blue X on a hand with fewer pennies.
Okay, so that's going to be the one with 0, because 0 is definitely less than 3.
Yes, it is. All right, so that was nice and easy because we didn't have anything to compare it with. All right, the next one, last one here. We have how many pennies on the left hand?
1, 2. I see 2.
And in our right hand.
1.
So we're comparing 2
1.
pennies to 1 penny.
Oh, well, this one's going to be less on the 1 side. 1 is less than 2.
So let's go ahead and draw an X
Beautiful
through that
blue
hand.
X.
And now we have 2 pennies is more than 1. So there's a lot of different observations we can come up with here. 2 pennies is more than 1 penny. 1 penny is less than 2 penny. Or 1 penny is fewer than 2 pennies. So there's a lot of different ways that we can describe this.
Fewer.
So boys and girls, I hope you had a fun time doing that with us. That's about it for today.
Oh, that was pretty easy. We're great at this.
Yeah.
Good job, boys and girls. Tune in next time for another edition of Math Homework Helper Shorts. Bye-bye.